1 whole egg, milk. Hold the jug with one hand. The secret is to get that really nice, smooth paste. But whisking that egg first, and then you're milking. Don't put all the milk in, because then you're gonna get a lumpy pancake mix. And the secret for me is to have a nice thin teaspoon. That helps to bring a nice crispy edge to the mixture. Now, just taste. Look at that. I love that. The larger the pan, the better. It helps to create a nice, thin, even surface. I want that. That's what I'm looking for. In there. Nice. Tosser. Now, for the exciting part, a little shake. That releases it. And then just shake it to the end. Beautifully. Now, that's exactly what I want. That nice sort of colour is so important. And that, for me, is pancakes. Amazing.